Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about the first blog giveaway. So for those of you that don't know, I do have a blog. Pretty much is a website where I post the pictures of all the nails tutorials I do here, close-up pictures and details about each of the nail tutorials I do. So in the next clips, I will show you how to enter the giveaway. So there will be rules to follow. Very easy. The first rule will be you have to follow my blog. You have to go on my blog. You have to click the part where it says follow, which is the blue button right here. And once you click there, a new window will open, will show your email, and you will click follow, and your picture will show next to these other 8 people here. And that's how you will follow, and that's how you follow the blog. Second rule will be you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, to this one or the other one, the Spanish one, and you will have to follow me on Instagram is rule number 3. This is my Instagram here. You will have to be follow me on Instagram. So if you're not, I recommend you to follow me to my Instagram in order to qualify for this blog giveaway. The third rule is very easy. Once you follow me on Instagram and are subscribed to my channel, all you have to do is go back to the giveaway post and you have to go all the way down to where it says comment, and you will find that all the way to the end of the post right here where it says comment. You will click there and you will leave your comment like I follow the blog, here is my Instagram name. That's all you have to do. Now, if you want to get an extra entry, all you have to do is recommend somebody to follow the blog, and that person will have to post in the comment section your Instagram name so you can get an extra entry into the giveaway. So that's how it works. Recommend somebody, that person follow the blogs, but they have to put your Instagram name so that way you can get an extra entry. Now, what is the price? So what will be the price? The price is going to be a Moravan Polygel Kit. This kit has everything you need to do polygel. You will get 4 tubes of polygel, base coat, top coat, dual form, the brush, the wipe to clean the nails. Also, this polygel, some of the tubes are color temperature change, so the color will change. Also, you will get the slip solution. So everything you need for to do polygel. So I also will be adding a lamp that I will show you a clip very soon here to come, so you can do all your nails without needing anything else from Polygel. And I have videos using the same brand, so if you guys win this, you guys can reference back to that video. So I hope you guys enjoy this giveaway. The giveaway will start tomorrow, the 26th of February. It will end the 26th of March. Make sure you follow all the rules in order to qualify. I will not be sending you message or anything like that if you fail to follow the rules. If I pick somebody that didn't follow the rules, I will pick somebody else. It's only gonna be one winner, so good luck guys, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.